Hey everybody, so today I'm showing you how to do a basic fishtail plait. Start off by splitting the hair into two pieces. Take a little bit from the right hand side and then bring it straight across the middle and add it to the left hand side section. Now you're going to do the same on the opposite side, so take a bit from the corner, bring it across the middle and add to the right hand side. Take a bit from the outside of the right hand section, move it across the middle and place it into the left hand section, and then you're just doing that back and forward. So take a piece from the outside corner, put it across the middle in a cross formation, add it to the other side, and then you're taking a bit from the other side and moving it back across into the right hand section. So you're literally taking a tiny bit from the outside corner of one of your pieces of hair, bringing it across and into the other section, and then doing the same going back across the other way. Just over and add, over and add. It's so easy once you get the hang of it. We're not doing a sculpt plait with this one, so I'm not adding hair to any sections. I'm just using the hair that's free flowing. And you're going to follow this exactly same technique all the way to the bottom. Make sure when you're taking the piece of hair from each side, it's not really big. You want it to be no wider than about 1 centimetre. It shouldn't be a lot of the hair, you're just taking a tiny bit of that hair and then putting it across to the other side. So to keep it nice and tight, keep your hands as close to the plait as you possibly can. You can see my hands aren't right down the hair, they're actually sat just below the section I've just done. And every time you add a new piece across to the other side, just pull it tight, pull the two pieces so it just tightens up a little bit. And like I said, you're doing exactly the same thing all the way to the bottom. So I've just zoomed in here so you can see it a bit closer, see exactly what I'm doing. It's really such an easy technique to do. Just practice, practice, practice. It looks hard at first, but it really isn't. If you want to check out a couple more of my videos, then there's a couple of links below. I've got other plaiting techniques. But to finish off this plait, I'm just pulling everything a bit looser, evening it out, popping a band in, and here's the final result. Thanks for watching. Bye!